Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, man, with 29 years experience and 50,000 golf carts fixed, I'm gonna show you a quick tip, trick of the trade you might want, man. What we're gonna do here, the problem is, when you hit the gas, turn the key on, hit the gas, the car bounces forward and quits because this battery here is bad. What I'm gonna do is show you how to bypass this battery, put it in reverse, hit the gas, you see it click, tries to move. What I'm gonna do, don't be hating on the 9/16 wrench. I'm gonna show you how to get home if you have to, if you don't have a battery with you, which most people, I don't carry a battery. Show you how to bypass this one battery here and get you home. Right now, we hit the gas. This goes -5 volts, which takes 5 volts out of these batteries, so it don't drive. So I'll take it, leave that post there. This might instead of going, let's see, positive to negative, I'm going positive to positive, but really I'm going positive to negative. I'm just using this post here as a conjunction point. All right, and let's see if I can drive it home. You want a pair of these, man? These adjustable wrench right here. Go to Lowe's. Hit the gas now. Gotta wake it up. It runs. So now you're back. Now you're back in business, man. All I did was just instead of going here, went positive, negative, I went negative, positive here. Positive, negative. Just bypass this battery altogether. I'm about to drive it. I'm gonna show you that it runs. Now always remember this now. Don't floor the car. Don't floor it like this because you're drawing every ounce of energy you got. I just got to go 2 blocks. So right there, I'm able to drive it to the customer's house. And I'll come back tomorrow with a battery. But you've seen it right there, man. Tricks of the trade. For the Golf Cart Whisperer, man, if you got anything, hit me up, ask me any questions. Go to www.golfcartwhisperer.net, not .com. I'm not affiliated with .com. www.golfcartwhisperer.net. If you're in Horry County or surrounding counties, we'll come to you, fix it on site, man. All right, man, you can see, man, we're still driving. We had to go about 1.5 miles from his house. Just off bypassing the one battery, man. So think about it. If you got 40 volts, say you got 48 volts on the system, anything lower than 40 volts, 39 volts, the car will run. But you got that one battery in there that goes -5 volts. So instead of having 48
at the stop
now,
sign, take a left
now
on
you got 40
Drive.
-5, you're at 35 volts. The car ain't gonna run. Signal will click out. Hey, hey, hey.
In 7